And welcome back to another edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. Today I do have a couple new cars for you. I do have 3 cars that we've had on our lot for quite some time, so it is going to be a steal of a deal on those cars. The first 2 will be the new cars. The last 3 will be those older cars, so do not miss your chance to steal the deal on those. The weather's still nice, so please come out and see us. I always say that. Myself and my coworkers are more than happy to help you guys and get you guys driving these cars. Now let's get in the video. One of our new cars here is a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. It's got 157,300 miles on it. Black interior, 4x4 drivetrain, V8 engine once again. It's got navigation, power moonroof, power seats, heated and ventilated seats, and a clean Carfax. And this is retailing for $22,330. To finish us off in our last new car, we have a 2022 Volkswagen Jetta S. It's got 33,800 miles on it, black interior, 31 and 41 miles per gallon, Bluetooth, blind spot, Apple CarPlay, a backup camera, clean Carfax, only one owner, and this is retailing for $19,504. Starting us off, we have a 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. It's got 13,680 miles, black interior, 24-30 miles per gallon, all-wheel drive, premium audio, 360 overhead camera, and Apple CarPlay. Heated and ventilated seats, heated rear seats, one owner, clean Carfax, retailing for $30,580. Up next is a 2023 Audi Q5 40 Premium SUV. It's got 49,380 miles, black interior, great gas mileage of 23 and 29, all-wheel drive, navigation, heated seats and powered seats, Apple CarPlay, heated steering wheel, premium plus package, clean Carfax, only one owner, retailing for $30,700. Following the Audi is a 2022 Dodge Charger RT. It's got 20,230 miles, black interior, V8 engine, so plenty of power, 60 and 25 miles per gallon, power moonroof, you got Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay, heated and ventilated seats, premium package, clean Carfax, only one owner, retailing for $34,630. Thank you very much for watching this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. As always, I appreciate the likes, support, shares. Sorry about not having all new cars today. It has been a little slow on the used car end. With the month of November coming to the middle, we do have sign and drive event for our new cars. That is a leasing special, so do not be afraid to come out and see us and see what we can do for you with that. And without further ado, I'll let you go, but I appreciate the support and we'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.